hard cash over $1,000 by using only 3 apps. These apps are not only going to make you money, but it'll also improve your state of living, and you'd be surprised. I don't suppose you'll believe me right away, but if you do complete today's video, and then you're going to do nothing but thank me. So if you want to start, then step 1 is to... What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money-making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up, so you can be the first to know and try it out. I have a question for you. Do you guys have a smartphone that you use all the time? The answer is probably yes. And if that's the case, then you can actually start making money online, even if it's your first time. It's possible without investing anything at all. It's completely free. All you have to do is download the apps that I'm going to show you, do nothing, and collect your money. In today's video, we're going to be going 3 different apps that can make you money completely passive. And all you have to do is watch this step-by-step tutorial until the very end, and then you're going to be able to start making money. So let's jump right into it. Now, before I explain to you how you can do this, okay, like I said in the intro, I am going to be showing you 3 apps today. So the first one is called Userfield Com. This is an app that I think a lot of you don't even know existed until now. First thing, though, is that what is Userfield? Now, this is an app where you can actually test a lot of different apps and websites and get paid in return. The way that this works is basically companies come from literally all over the world, and then when they need someone to test their apps in order to find any sort of bugs and problems in the named apps and websites, this is where they go to Userfield. This is where Userfield comes in. The companies are going to pay Userfield, who will then pay people like us to do the testing. So you're going to get paid. It's as easy as that. And as you can probably already tell, testing doesn't require any knowledge, doesn't require any skills or any experience, and that's exactly why this is the first app that I am showing you guys today. It's an amazing place to start on making money online if you've never done it before. Also, this app is very popular. It has over hundreds and thousands actually of testers from literally all over the world. And this does work in most of the countries, and it'll most likely work in your country as well. This is the best. It has the best features of the app, and this is what is the best thing about it, that it is available in almost all of the countries. They have hundreds of happy clients, and some of the clients even said, as you can see, they've said that it's amazing. Userfield is a multilingual usability and user testing tool. You can test in any site, any language. Our panel consists of more than 130,000 testers speaking 40 languages. Now, this is something I actually think brings a lot of their customers to this app, because having testers from all over the globe means that the site or app that's not in English can still be tested without any problems at all. So I want you to comment down below what country you reside in and what is your favorite or preferred payment method, so that my next video will be more relevant to our subscribers. So let's keep going then. So here we can see some information on the testers themselves. So it's definitely super relevant for us. Test on desktop, mobile, or tablet. Testing with both our app and an external camera allows us to test websites or applications on Android, iPhone, or iPad. And that's why, as I've said in the introduction, that you can actually do this on just your smartphone. In the end, it is of course still your decision. But the fact that this is actually doable on a smartphone is actually a big deal, because you don't have to be home or carrying a big ass laptop with you to be able to test the apps. A phone or a tablet is all you need to do. So down here, you're going to see that you can get your results very fast. And here's some extra information about the app that I will not go over anymore because it's kind of irrelevant. What you do have to do instead is to scroll down below and click on Tester Fact. And that's going to take you to this page where you can see that you can get paid $10 per test, with each test lasting between 10 and 20 minutes. And in other words, you're going to get paid $10 in 10 minutes at least, and 20 minutes at the most. tasks. So that's not just a small amount of money, especially because you don't need any skills to do this. Now, when you come onto this webpage, I do recommend that you read thoroughly everything you can find here. Before we get on to the real money making part, if you are having fun with today's video so far, then make sure that you like this video and subscribe if you aren't subscribed yet. And of course, comment about all of the wonderful things that you're loving so far, or maybe leave some suggestions down below. Anything and everything will be appreciated. Now let's get back to the video. First off, a great feature about Userfield is that you're not going to have to pay for anything. All you have to do is literally have a Windows or a Mac computer and a microphone. If you have a laptop, then you don't even need to buy a microphone because it already has a mic attached into the laptop. But if you have or need to buy one, then you don't need anything expensive. It says here that it can be as cheap as $2. You're not going to use your real name when you do conduct a test, so there are no worries to that at all. Something that is important though is that there is a qualification test, so you won't be able to get started on testing right away, because this qualification test is going to verify if you have a microphone, if you can complete these different tasks. Again, it's nothing too hard. Now, the last thing that I have to mention to you guys is how you're going to get paid. As you can see, you can get paid through PayPal or Amazon gift cards. It's entirely your decision. And I know some of my comments that some of you want apps that are not going to pay through crypto alone, but also through other means. And this app, PayPal, is most definitely an option. Now, to get started with Userfield, all you need to do is scroll down below, click on Become a Tester, fill out all of these information that they're asking for, and just start making money. Now, moving on to the second app on our list, which is called Honeygain. Honeygain is an amazing way to earn money passively online. It is quite different compared to the first one that we've shown you, because this one you're going to be making money by sharing your internet. Now, don't worry, your security isn't at risk or anything. As you can see, your Honeygain is indeed secure. It ensures that your internet traffic is only used by trusted partners, and the app never asks for or gains access to the storage of your device. So they aren't going to steal any of your data or your internet traffic, and they just really need your internet traffic. It's only used by the people they trust. So if you want to read more on this, you can click right here, and just below you're going to see how Honeygain works. And long story short, it makes the internet more accessible to other users out there, and in return you're going to get paid just by doing that. Down here, you're going to see the 5 steps to Honeygain. The first step is you're going to install this, then you're going to run it, and then the app is going to gather data using your internet data, which is going to help other businesses in the process, and finally, you are going to get paid. You are going to get paid through PayPal or Bitcoin. Now, the last thing that worth noting about this app is that I can't leave out is that it does not pay a huge amount of money, and the money that you get paid here depends on your internet connection, how much work you're willing to put in. But I do have to remind you that this is a completely passive income method. It's not an active one, as was the case with the first app. So with Honeygain, you can just keep it, like leave it running, and it makes you money. So in my opinion, you should use both Honeygain when you don't have the time to do anything, and Userfield when you do. Now, our third and last app, which is called Moneyapp.org, it's one of the best rated apps of this kind that I've ever seen out there. As you can see, it's available for both Android and iOS devices. If you come on over to the App Store, you're going to see that not only does this have a 4.9 star rating, but it was also has been used by hundreds of thousands of people. So this just goes to show that this app can and is going to get you paid. You are going to get paid by completing various tasks that they have to offer, which will earn you credit, which you will then exchange for money. So there's really nothing complicated about this. That's all there is to it. Nothing complicated, and we will see you guys in the next one.
If there's nothing else, then thank you guys again for watching today's video. We're so close to 60,000 subscribers, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you did. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.